What's up guys, hope you guys doing really safe. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Today we are going to talk about the another electric vehicle stock that is coming to public this week for the listing. So people are now thinking about which will replace Tesla's Model 3. So far there were so many electric vehicle came into market just by saying that they are like real competitor for the Tesla. There are so many stocks listed in this year alone. NIO recently listed and Nikola Corporation, Li Auto, Workhorse like this, Fisker, and there are so many stocks they listed just by saying they are a competitor for the Tesla. Today we are going to talk about what I feel like real competitor for the Tesla that they are going to list and coming to the public on this Friday. Before going to the video, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel already and also hit the like button if you guys like this video. Can we get into the video? Let's start. So there are so many electric vehicles that already listed in the market and investors are enjoying by investing with electric vehicle maker and they are expecting that will be like next Tesla and investors now really hoping that one of the company will be the real competitor for Tesla to the expansion motor. There are so many investors already showing interest with this company and they are thinking that expansion motor will be the real competitor for the Tesla Model 3. If you see the investors, expansion motor got Qatar Investment Authority, it put in 100 million and Abu Dhabi's Mubadala invested another 100 million and Alibaba Group Holding also contributed 215 million and Xiaomi Mobile. Other than that, there are so many investors, they are already showing the interest with Expange Motor. There were so many companies already listed in the market for the electronic vehicle maker and they were thinking about that they are real competitor for Tesla Model 3, but personally I feel like this is one of the company that we need to consider. The company called XPNG. After years of developing the cars and trying to boost their profile globally, finally the Chinese electronic vehicle maker coming into public by selling its shares. The Chinese electric car startup XPeng Motor is seeking to raise more than 1.1 billion, which is slightly more than the last month listed Li Auto Incorporation. So Expange is planning to sell more than 85 millions of shares for the price range between $11 to $13. Based on this share listing in the market, the company would have a market value of more than 9 billion at the top of that range. So today we are going to discuss about the company Expange and what I'm going to do with while it's listing to the public on this Friday. Okay, let's compare Tesla Model 3 with Expange P7. Let's talk about the performance first. On performance point of view, Tesla Model 3 performs little better than Expange P7. If we see the performance point of view, Tesla P7 is bit slower. It's taking 4.3 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, whereas the Tesla Performance Model 3 makes the same sprint in just 3.2 seconds. But, however, it earned some points with impressive range of 706 km, which is around 439 miles, whereas in Tesla Model 3 it is 322 miles respectively. That is about the performance. Let's see few perks. So there are some advanced technology with Expanse P7 that they're going to enhance in Tesla Model 3. Both Tesla Model 3 and Expanse P7 has autopilot mode, but Xpeng, Xpilot, and Vehicle Xmart's OS managed to steal the spotlight from American counterpart from Tesla. The P7 also comes packed with cutting-edge technology. Okay, and the Xpeng P7 also gets another important creature comforts such as cool ambient lighting and an advanced surround system audio system, which are missing in Tesla's most expensive Model 3. Compared to Tesla Model 3, P7 is little less expensive. And now the Tesla brand image is still working in the company's favor, but the electric automaker might have to up its game to keep up with all the advanced technology found in P7 electric sedan. Okay, that's like high level comparison between Tesla Model 3 and Xpeng P7. Not bad, let's right? Talk about the model that Xpeng has already. Xpeng has two types of model. One is G3 SUV type and other model is P7 sedan. And now we are going to discuss about the Xpeng, how many cars they delivered for G3 SUV and P7 has delivered 18,741 of its first vehicle, the G3 SUV, through July 31st, according to the company filings. And it has started deliveries of its second model, that is sedan model P7 sedan, in May, shipping like 1966 units by July 31st, according to its company filing. Now we are going to see about the important thing about the company's financials. For the financial year ended December 31st, 2019, Xpeng reported revenues of 328.55 million, comprising 307.32 million in vehicle sale and 21.23 million in service and others. The company reported the net loss of 1.88 per share for the year. And also the company revenues for 6 months ended in June 2020 came in 141.94 million and 18.6% year over year decline. But the net loss per share narrowed to 81 cents per share. At the end of June 31st, 2020, the company had cash equivalent and restricted cash of 268.26 million. Now let's talk about one of the controversial that's going on about Xpeng motor from Tesla employee. The employee from Tesla admitted in a court filing this week that he uploaded zip file containing autopilot source code to his personal iCloud account in late 2018 while he was working for the company. Then later on he joined with the company called Xpeng Motor and for allegedly stealing trading secret related to autopilot, and he brought back to the EV startup company to Xpeng, which is backed by tech giant Alibaba. So now we are going to discuss about the important section, and before that I'm just putting some disclaimer over here. I'm not the financial expert, I'm just simply making the YouTube videos. If you guys need to follow, please do some research from your side, and then if you want to listen or if you want to take some points from my analysis, please feel free to. Otherwise, please don't consider my suggestions about the stock market. So now this is what I'm going to do. Xpeng is going to list in this week, that is 24th of August. So that will list on Friday. The price range between $11 to $13. They're going to give like 85 millions of shares. So due to some controversial thing is going on about Xpeng Motors, and also there are some tensions between China and US. it's already ongoing that Trump is saying that he's going to delist the China related companies. So due to this all this factor, but Expanse has lot of advantages. It has tech giant back to buy the company. So Alibaba is going to support for the Expanse. So there will be some initial hype for the company. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to purchase at the opening of Expanse IPO, and I'm planning to sell 90% of my holdings by Monday morning, and I'm going to leave only 10% of my holding for longer term. I'm not going to hold all of my shares for the longer term. This is what I'm going to do. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please smash the like button